Hey guys, this is Cooking with Kurt and my brother Niels is back.
Hello!
And today we're going to show you how to make a type of fried pork lumpia called Lumpiang Shanghai. O Niels, alam mo ba kung bakit ang tawag nito ay Lumpiang Shanghai? Talagang sa Shanghai ba na-invento itong lumpia?
Good question, Kuya. Bakit kaya? Hindi ko alam yun
Because I'm pretty sure that the spring rolls in Shanghai are different, diba?
It's a good question for Filipino history buffs. Let us know in the comments below if you know the answer. What we do know about Lumpiang Shanghai is that it's one of several types of lumpia, and it's a popular Filipino snack that's served on every special occasion and family gathering.
And we're also going to show you how to make two types of dipping sauces that go perfectly with Lumpiang Shanghai. An orange sweet and sour sauce and a vinegar chili garlic sauce. We're going to start off with the lumpia filling. Take a big mixing bowl and add 2 pounds of ground pork, half a cup of minced jicama, 1 cup of minced onions, 1 cup of minced carrots, half a cup of minced scallions, 1/4 cup of minced parsley, 4 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 4 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and finally 1 egg. Mix this well. The next step is to wrap the filling and roll up the lumpia. We recommend using these spring roll shells available in Filipino and Chinese grocery stores. And make sure you buy the super thin spring roll shells to get that authentic crispiness of the Filipino lumpia.
Before we wrap the lumpia filling, defrost the spring roll wrapper according to the packet instructions. Then take each square shell and diagonally cut it in half. This packet has 25 squares, so we'll end up with 50 triangles, which should be enough for the amount of filling this recipe makes. Put about 1.5 tablespoons of the filling in the triangular lumpia wrapper. Put the filling half an inch from the bottom of the triangle as a line parallel to the bottom of the triangle. Then fold one of the side edges of the triangle into the middle and press it over the meat.
It's like wrapping a Christmas gift, diba?
Oo nga, it's the perfect Christmas gift. Make sure it's nice and tightly folded over the meat. Do the same thing on the other side. Then fold the bottom of the triangle over the filling. Then continue rolling everything up towards the top of the triangle. Then, using 1 beaten egg in a bowl, seal the top tip of the triangle and finish rolling.
The egg seal will ensure na hindi mag-a-unroll yung lumpia while we're frying. Do the same thing until all the filling has been used. It should make about 50 lumpia rolls.
And this can be done in advance a day before. Put your rolls in a Ziploc bag and lay them flat. Put them in the freezer, and you can put the frozen lumpia rolls directly into the hot oil. There's no need to defrost.
But today we're going to fry them and eat them immediately. Heat about 3 cups of vegetable oil in a wok, going up around 2 to 3 inches high on medium heat. When the oil is hot, add 6 to 8 rolls at a time and deep fry the lumpia for 10 minutes until they're golden brown and crispy. Remove from the wok with a slotted spoon and transfer to a plate lined with paper towels to absorb the excess oil. While that's cooling, we're going to show you how to make a simple but delicious sweet and sour dipping sauce. Take a small mixing bowl and add 4 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, 2.5 tablespoons of ketchup, 1/3 cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, and half a teaspoon of soy sauce. Whisk these together. Then in a small saucepan, heat about 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add 2 teaspoons of minced ginger and saute for 1 minute until it's brown and fragrant. Then pour in the mixture we had whisked before and bring to a boil. Then in a small bowl, take 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and dissolve it in 2 tablespoons of water. Pour this into the saucepan and continue to stir until the texture becomes thick. When it looks like this, turn off the heat and transfer the sauce into a serving bowl.
Finally, the second type of dipping sauce is a lot simpler. Just add 1/2 cup of white vinegar into the dipping bowl and 2 cloves of crushed garlic, 2 small red chilies minced, half a teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of ground black pepper. Mix it around, and that's it!
Now transfer the cooled lumpia onto a serving plate and eat with the delicious dipping sauces.
Sarap!
Ang sarap nga! So crispy. Thanks for watching, guys, and thank you, Niels, for joining me today.
Thank you, Kuya Kurt.
As always, let us know in the comment section below if you're gonna make this Lumpiang Shanghai, and if you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt. Salamat!